A 19-year-old Detroit man is charged in connection with a deadly shooting rampage. Investigators believe he may suffer from mental illness. My partner, Carolyn Clifford, is in the community on Detroit's west side tonight, reporting on the developments in this case and what's being done to help people seeking help for their mental health. An important issue, Carolyn.
It's certainly important, Dave. You know that. We've seen people with mental health issues commit violent crimes in our community, from the death of a Detroit police officer gunned down while on duty to this past Sunday with the death of 3 people allegedly shot by that 19-year-old. Now, that suspect, Dante Smith, is now charged with first-degree murder, attempted murder, animal cruelty, and gun crimes. He's accused of shooting 4 people at random within a 2.5-hour period on Sunday morning. Investigators say he may suffer from mental illness. You know, more than 1 million adults here in Michigan suffer from some sort of mental health problem. That is according to the National Alliance on Mental Illness. But here's the problem with that. 38% of these people and 80% of those with a substance abuse disorder are not getting help. Well, now, community leaders are joining a national effort with a public service announcement to be released tomorrow that just might help. This mom begged for help for her son in front of police.
He's trying to get help from the state because he's not threatening to kill me or himself, or he's not on drugs. You guys, not you personally, they won't do anything.
This same young man would later open fire on and kill a Detroit police officer. And this past Sunday, a 19-year-old went on a shooting rampage, killing 3, including this mother of 5, and wounded a 4th, this 76-year-old man and his dog.
If there had been any 4 inches difference, I'd have been gone.
Detroit police telling us his aunt called them with the address of his whereabouts after seeing his image on the news and on social media. These violent shootings in our community and across the nation are only compounded by the fact that many of the people pulling the trigger are suffering from mental illness, and people need to know there is help available.
Too many people are experiencing suicidal crisis or mental health related distress.
This powerful public service announcement will be released tomorrow. It's meant to send the message there is no shame in seeking help for mental illness, including thoughts of suicide. Reverend Horace Sheffield is one of the ministers on the PSA.
Life has always been tough in some, of our communities, but then coupled with the pandemic, loss of income, unparalleled deaths, there's just been a variety of things. And then sometimes I don't think we always address it properly.
Casey Wilborn Snap went from Detroit principal to prison for taking bribes and suffered dark moments with her fall from grace. Today, she's a minister and spends her time in various prisons helping people overcome mental health issues.
We have a serious addiction and suicide crises in our country. It's not just the pain of the city of Detroit or the pain of the state of Michigan. It's the pain of our nation.
But this lifeline may help. People are being trained to spot problems and counsel others who are suffering locally and nationally.
Act. You're complicit when you don't act. You hold the gun just like that person holds the gun when you don't act.
That message is really for all of us to pay attention. If you see something, say something. Now, training of counselors to help with this 988 initiative is going on here at the New Destiny Christian Fellowship Church and online nationally next month. The 988 crisis line is available 24/7 and will help connect Michigan residents to resources for help with mental illness. So it's very, very important and vital for us all to play a role in this.